The College of Health Sciences Auditorium at the Federal University Lokoja was filled to capacity, with many others seated outside, eager to listen to the university's 24th Inaugural lecture. For Professor Musa Adeku Ibrahim, this was a moment to further share his wealth of knowledge in mathematics.
His scholarly work has not only enriched the academic landscape of this institution, but also provided valuable insight that resonate well beyond the realm of mathematics. And on a personal note, I also want to appreciate him from being a very loyal and committed staff of this university.
Combining humor and real-life examples, Professor Musa provided more insight into the topic, unraveling the tapestry of non-classical set theory, navigating novel paths in understanding life's complexities. The lecture took the audience on an intellectual journey into the innovative applications of non-traditional set theory in understanding complex systems.
Complexity is the fabric of life, and mathematics is the thread that unravels its purpose. Non-classical set theory weaves this thread into a coherent narrative of uncertainty and possibility.
Mathematics, often considered challenging by many students, plays a fundamental role in many aspects of human life. Professor Musa emphasized the need for alternative mathematical frameworks to better interpret life's uncertainties and intricate patterns. He urged Nigerian policymakers to embrace unconventional approaches in policy formulation and implementation.
Non-classical allow us to look at the various things. In real life, instead of staying rigid on traditional paradigms, it is of high time to look at the other ways.
Using real-world examples, he illustrated the deep interconnections between mathematics and various fields of study. He also advocated for simpler teaching methods to enhance students' interest and comprehension of mathematics.
It's insightful the way that he was able to humanize his topic and to break it down by citing examples and connecting people to his lecture, even those who are non-specialists in mathematics, especially when he says that there's a way that every one of us thinks mathematically.
The government can take some part of what he has said and apply it to the society. That will be beautiful.
In Lokoja, Jonathan Omajali, NTA News.